Good evening, students. How are you? Thanks. You're all doing good and reading something. So, shall we discuss a case study? Yeah. Just now I read that the environmental degradation, particularly the environmental degradation due to the use of plastics, or because of polymers or polythene bags or anything else. You are also studying paper in chemistry. You discuss a lot of things about the polymers and plastics. Without plastics, I think we can't live. Am I right? Money has now become a plastic. Am I right? Money now become a plastic. We don't use garbage. We just go over the ATM card and scratch it. We call it as a plastic. So without plastic, there is no. But there is a study due to this usage, many degradation in soil, water, atmosphere, and all the aspects. The degradation is increasing day by day. After some years, the sustainability of the environment is questioned. And the researchers say that after some 50 to 100 years, we are going to won't be a good place for human life. What do you think about this case?
People have started using more plastics, and we people can't live without plastics too. And scientists and researchers have researched that plastics, when burning plastic, will become more toxic and will produce more toxic gas in the environment.
I have also read that when burning plastics, dioxin is released. Due to continuous inhalation of dioxin, it leads to lung cancer.
Usually we use many plastic bags and that we throw it out in soils and water, and especially sea waters. It sinks into the sea, which creates water pollution.
Okay.
As we throw the plastics into the dustbin or somewhere else, if we throw the plastic, it reaches the sea, and the marine animals which are living there are affected by it. They eat the plastics that they think that is jellyfish, and they eat that. So they get affected, and they get many diseases, and they are getting destroyed nowadays.
Not only marine animals can affect it. By throwing plastic in soil, it will affect the rainwater percolation.
Okay, the rainwater percolation will be stopped. So depletion of human yeah. So nowadays it's a great effect. Anything any point?
In their childhood, they used to play in parks and soil. In depth of 2 meters, we can easily find the roaming of the earthworms. But now we can't. They are teasing me, how you can't get this opportunity.
You can't get this opportunity to dig the earthworms.
Correct.
And they use.
They teasing me.
Yeah, that's mainly due to the soil pollution, the use of these plastics, pesticides. We call the earthworms as a friend of farmers.
Yes, sir.
Sir, nowadays humans produce among 350 million metric tons of plastics every year, sir.
We are producing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So nearly 5.25 trillion tons of plastic waste are dumped in the oceans. So
Oceans we are dumping
we are
so
dumping
much.
so much.
Good.
So India contribute half of it.
So you get a feel that
Yes, sir.
this
We are crossing the China
yeah,
limit.
we are crossing the China and we are most populated
We are
and
most
we
populated.
would be the most polluting. Any other points to add?
Sir, we are thinking we are polluting locally, but we are polluting globally the environment. If I am in Chennai, I am throwing a plastic in Marina Beach. The waves will take the plastic to the other nations that will affect the affect globally by.
Yes, I got your point. The effect of pollution is not local.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Whatever the thing, even if I am burning a smoke, the smoke will not be within our boundary. So there is no boundary for air. There is no boundary for seawater. So there is no boundary for something which is created by the nature. So if we pollute the things, we are thinking. His point is that we are thinking we are doing here, sir. It's not like that. It affects global. And not only it's affect global, it will affect your generations. See, the groundwater which your grandfather and mother was using, we are not getting that much of pure water. And think about our next generation. Is it possible? I got his point because he's saying that oceans have some current waves. If you're putting some plastic in marina, these current waves will carry the plastics and it will go and dump there somewhere in Antarctica or somewhere in Africa, even some Arctic oceans. So that's a good, excellent point.
16 lakhs tons of e-waste produced in India per year.
According to 2020, after China, United States and India is the third largest country to produce e-waste.
Yes, according to her statement, about 33% of e-waste is produced by India.
Oh, being India itself producing
33%.
33%. Good, because
I think this is the situation with critical, sir. We need to act now.
How?
It's simple. Triple R.
Reduce.
Reuse, recycle.
Okay, let's start.